Did you know that nearly half of Americans live paycheck to paycheck? Why? Because they lack a clear understanding of how to grow their wealth. Money management isn't just about earning more. It's about recognizing where you stand in your financial journey and knowing exactly what steps to take next. This is where understanding the 4 levels of wealth can make a real difference. These levels don't just reflect the amount of money in your bank account. They represent different stages of financial knowledge and habits that can propel you forward. So why should you care about these wealth levels? Each level marks a critical phase in your journey towards financial independence. They guide you through the complexities of financial growth, from establishing stability to achieving true financial freedom. In this video, we'll go through each level, explaining what they are, why they matter, and how they can help you make better financial choices. Whether you're struggling with debt, saving for a future goal, or planning for retirement, knowing these levels will help you navigate your finances more effectively. So, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you won't miss out on essential financial insights. Alright now, the first crucial level is the wealth protection level. This foundational stage is all about safeguarding what you've worked so hard to earn and setting the stage for future financial success. At the wealth protection stage, your main goal is to shield yourself and your assets from potential financial pitfalls. This level is primarily about managing risks to ensure that unexpected events don't derail your financial plans. The cornerstone of this stage is your human capital, or the value of your future earnings. Essentially, your ability to earn income over your lifetime is your greatest financial asset at this point. One of the first tasks in this stage is to establish an emergency fund. This fund acts as a financial buffer, helping you handle unexpected expenses without falling into debts. For most people, saving 1 to 6 months worth of expenses is sufficient. This ensures that if a large, unexpected bill comes your way, you're prepared and won't need to rely on high-interest debt options, like credit cards, which can quickly become financial burdens. Speaking of debt, another critical aspect of this stage is aggressively tackling bad debt. High-interest debts, such as credit card balances or costly car loans, should be prioritized for repayment. Not all debts are inherently negative. For instance, a low-interest mortgage might not need to be paid off early. However, high-interest debts imply living beyond your means and should be eliminated to protect your financial health. Insurance also plays a key role in this stage. Depending on where you live, certain insurances might be mandatory, like health insurance in some countries. Additionally, considering insurance for job loss or life insurance can provide further protection. These policies ensure that if you lose your job or in the event of your death, you or your family won't face immediate financial distress. Warren Buffett's advice: do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving, perfectly captures the essence of this stage. Saving diligently is not just a way to accumulate wealth, but a strategy to protect it. Many people remain stuck in the wealth protection stage because they fail to prioritize saving. It's crucial to remember that the wealth protection stage is about setting a strong foundation for your financial future. By focusing on saving, managing debt, and ensuring you have the right insurance in place, you're not just protecting your current assets, you're also preparing for a wealthier tomorrow. Once you have these basics in order, you can start to look forward to the next phase of your financial journey, where your money begins to truly work for you. Alright, the next phase in your financial journey is the wealth accumulation level. This is where you actively grow your assets to meet your future financial goals. The wealth accumulation level is often the longest and most dynamic part of your financial journey. Once you've secured your wealth, the focus shifts to increasing it. Investing becomes crucial here because it allows your money to work for you and grow at a pace that outstrips inflation, which can erode your savings if they're not actively growing. There are numerous ways to invest: the stock market, real estate, starting a business, or investing in others' ventures. The key is to choose investments that align with your risk tolerance and financial objectives. For many, including myself, passive index funds in the stock market are a preferred choice due to their simplicity and potential for steady growth. But remember, what works for one person might not suit another. During this level, you can afford to be more aggressive with your investments, because you likely still have a steady income and years ahead to ride out market fluctuations. However, this isn't an invitation to recklessly gamble on high-risk ventures. Instead, it's an opportunity to take calculated risks that could yield higher returns. For instance, having a 100% stock portfolio might make sense for you during this level, but always within the bounds of smart risk management. Saving more money is also essential at this stage. You can achieve this by either reducing your expenses or increasing your income. While frugality is valuable, it shouldn't come at the cost of your happiness or quality of life. As the famous financial advisor Suze Orman says, true wealth has more to do with what you're left with when money is removed from the equation. Additionally, maximizing your investment returns is critical. This means paying attention to investment fees, which can eat into your profits over time. If you're investing in index funds, focus on minimizing these fees as much as possible. Another crucial aspect of this level is optimizing your taxes through tax-advantaged retirement accounts. For example, investing in your third pillar, if applicable, based on your country's retirement system, can significantly boost your wealth accumulation by reducing your taxable income and allowing your investments to grow tax-free until retirement. Remember, the goal during the wealth accumulation level isn't just to increase your wealth, but to do so in a way that is sustainable and aligned with your long-term financial plans. Whether you're aiming for early retirement using the 4% rule or a more traditional retirement path, how and when you transition to the next level will depend on how effectively you manage and grow your assets here. After accumulating your wealth, the next critical step in your financial journey is the wealth preservation level. This is where you ensure your wealth supports you throughout retirement. The wealth preservation level is all about ensuring that your accumulated wealth continues to sustain your lifestyle without the risk of depletion. This is the time when your investments truly need to work for you, providing stable, reliable income that can last throughout your retirement years. At this level, strategic financial planning is key. You must develop a sound withdrawal strategy that specifies how much to withdraw from your investments and when. This isn't just about selling off assets. It's about careful timing and choosing the right assets to liquidate to avoid eroding your principal too quickly. For example, if you're heavily invested in stocks, you might start considering shifting a portion of your portfolio to bonds or other lower-risk investments. This isn't mandatory, but is often done for peace of mind and reducing volatility in your income stream. Another critical aspect of this level is tax optimization. One strategy might be geo-arbitrage, relocating to a region with lower taxes to maximize your net income. While not suitable for everyone, it's a viable option for some. Furthermore, having a substantial cash buffer can also be incredibly beneficial. Ideally, you should have at least a 1-year buffer. This prevents the need to sell investments at an inopportune time, such as during a market downturn, which could significantly impact your long-term financial health. This level can be subdivided into 2 phases, especially if you're considering early retirement. The first level is pre-benefit phase, the period before you start receiving any retirement benefits, requiring careful management to ensure your savings last. The second phase is the benefit receiving phase. This is when you start receiving benefits, which may adjust how much you need to withdraw from your personal savings. After securing and growing your wealth through the previous levels, we arrive at the final and the most introspective level of wealth, the wealth distribution level. This level involves making decisions about the legacy you wish to leave behind. The wealth distribution level is often the least discussed yet is crucial for ensuring your wealth has a lasting impact beyond your lifetime. This is the stage where you decide how your assets will be distributed after your death. This level is all about making sure it supports the causes and people you care about most. Planning at this level can involve several strategies to minimize the tax burden on your heirs and maximize the value of your estate. For instance, in Switzerland, money inherited by children is usually tax-free, making it easier for Swiss residents to transfer wealth. However, in the United States, the situation is more complex. U.S. citizens and residents have a large tax exemption of $13.61 million, meaning a significant amount can be passed on without incurring estate taxes. But Any amount over this is taxed at rates up to 40%. For non-residents, only $60,000 is exempt, with the rest subject to estate taxes. This drastic difference highlights the need for careful planning to reduce tax liabilities and ensure your wealth effectively supports your beneficiaries according to your wishes. Another aspect of this level is charitable giving. Many choose to start donating their money while still alive to reduce their taxable wealth and see the benefits of their generosity. This can be an enriching experience, providing both fiscal benefits and personal satisfaction. Estate planning is critical at this stage. Writing a will is essential, especially if you have specific wishes about how your assets should be handled. A will simplifies the process for your heirs and can prevent potential conflicts or legal hurdles. As Andrew Carnegie famously said, "The man who dies thus rich dies disgraced." Carnegie's philosophy emphasizes the importance of using wealth to contribute to society, a principle that aligns perfectly with the goals of this level. Each of the 4 levels of wealth plays a vital role in shaping a comprehensive financial strategy. By understanding and preparing for each level, you ensure smoother transitions and avoid getting stuck unnecessarily at any stage. Whether you're currently accumulating wealth or thinking ahead to future distributions, it's crucial to plan for the next steps. And there you have it, the 4 levels of wealth explained. Understanding these levels can help you navigate your financial journey with confidence and foresight. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated with more financial insights. Thank you for watching, and here's to your continued financial success on every level.